Medical device quality is critical for patient safety, and understanding FDA 21 CFR Part 820 can help clinicians make informed decisions. This regulation sets quality system standards for device manufacturers, covering design, production, documentation, complaint handling, and corrective actions to ensure devices are safe and effective. Key elements include design controls to verify and validate devices, production and process controls to maintain consistent quality, and CAPA, corrective and preventive actions to address defects and prevent recurrence. Accurate documentation and internal audits are also required to demonstrate compliance. While clinicians aren't directly responsible for compliance, knowing these regulations empowers them to select high-quality devices, provide informed feedback to manufacturers, and enhance patient safety. By understanding FDA quality standards, clinicians play a vital role in bridging regulatory compliance with real-world patient care. This video breaks down everything clinicians need to know about 21 CFR Part 820 and how it impacts device quality and safety in clinical practice. Like and subscribe for stay updated.